student, today we'll learn about square and square root. It is a very, very interesting chapter, and there are so many things to learn from this chapter. Now, under this chapter, we will come across perfect number or square number. In our previous classes, we have heard about so many numbers such as prime number, composite number, co-prime number, twin prime numbers, and so on. Here we will study about or learn something about square number. What does it mean, square number or perfect number? किसको कहता है square number? Suppose a and b are two natural numbers such that a equal to b square. A and b are two natural numbers and a equal to b square. It means, for example, 4 equal to 2 square means 2 into 2. 9, that is 3 square, that means 3 into 3. Like this, 16, 4 square equal to 4 into 4. 25, 5 square, that means 5 into 5. And so on. These numbers are called square number because ये square से बनता है. 4 into 4, that is it comes to 16. 5 into 5, it makes 25. So these are called square number. Square से जो बनेगा. Now इसका एक कंडीशन है, टू बी ए स्क्वायर नंबर. अब हर नंबर स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं है. जैसे 15 इज नॉट ए स्क्वायर नंबर क्योंकि ये स्क्वायर से नहीं बनेगा. जैसे 17 ये स्क्वायर से नहीं बनेगा. अच्छा, और एक इसमें और एक ऑब्जर्व करने का चीज़ है. कैसे? यहाँ पे जो ये 4 ये है क्या? ये है फैक्टर. ये फैक्टर है. ये फैक्टर है. दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 4, दीज आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 9. दैट मीन्स जो भी स्क्वायर नंबर होगा उसका फैक्टर पेयर में होगा. जिसमें जैसे 15 का यहाँ पे 3 into 5 ये पेयर में नहीं बन रहा है. तो दैट इज वाई इट कैनॉट बी कंसिडर्ड एज परफेक्ट नंबर और स्क्वायर नंबर. तो ये फैक्टर जो है, जैसे यहाँ पे अगर मैं यहाँ पे 2 into 2 into 2 कर देता हूँ, ये भी पेयर में बन रहा है. तो यहाँ पे होगा, यहाँ पे 4 16, दैट इज ये 16 है. ये स्क्वायर नंबर में होगा. 4 यू कैन राइट 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, ये पेयर में है. तो स्क्वायर नंबर का एक है कि ये स्क्वायर से बनेगा और इसका जो फैक्टर है, ये फैक्टर ऑलवेज शुड बी इन pair, and that number or those numbers can be considered as square number or perfect number. जैसे 15 it is not a perfect number क्योंकि इनका जो फैक्टर्स है ये पेयर में नहीं आ रहा है. नाउ अब ये हर नंबर पेयर में नहीं है, ये मैंने आपको बता दिया. अब किस किस कंडीशन में पेयर होगा, मतलब परफेक्ट नंबर हो सकता है, और किस कंडीशन में परफेक्ट नंबर नहीं होगा, अब वो मैं बताऊंगा. नाउ कंडीशन टू बी ए परफेक्ट नंबर. नाउ ये कंडीशन क्या क्या है? 1, 4, 6, 5, 6, 9 and even number of zeros. कोई भी नंबर, इफ एनी नंबर ends with 1 or ends with 4 or ends with 5 or ends with 6 or ends with 9 or ends with even number of zeros, those numbers will be a perfect number. Now for example, 121, it ends with 1, that means 11 into 11, that is 11 square. It is a perfect number. 144, that means 12 into 12, that means 12 square. 5, 625, 25 into 25, that means 25 square. 6, 256, that means 16 into 16, that means 16 square. 9, 289, 17 into 17, that means 17 square. An even number of zeros, 100, 10 into 10, 10 square. So these numbers ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and even number of zeros. Those number ends with 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or even number of zeros. Those number will be considered as perfect number. This is I am giving you the example. Now, the condition for not to be a perfect number, वो कंडीशन क्या है? और यहाँ पे क्या था? That means not to be a condition not to be a perfect number. That means यहाँ पे होना चाहिए 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros. कोई भी नंबर, if any number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 or odd number of zeros, it will not be considered as perfect number. So these numbers are very, very important. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and even number of zeros for to be a number to be a perfect number. And 2, 3, 7, 8, if any number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros, so those numbers are not a perfect number. I think it is clear. Now I am taking up one question. Now this is the first question. I have taken this question from NCERT, page number 96, exercise 6.1, question number 2. The following numbers are not perfect square. Give reason. यहाँ पे already it has been mentioned that these numbers, the given numbers, are not perfect square. You have to justify. You have to give reason. Now, I have already mentioned any number, if any number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros, will not be a perfect number. So, in this case, the reason is only one. This is the only reason. If any number ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 and odd number of zeros, those numbers are not to be considered as perfect number. So in this case there are 5 numbers and these are ends with 2, 3, 7, 8 and even odd number of zeros respectively. This is the answer. Now come to the second question. Now this is the second question. The squares of which of the following would be odd number? मतलब 4 नंबर दिए गए हैं, इसका अगर स्क्वायर करूं तो कौन सी नंबर को स्क्वायर करने से ऑड नंबर रिजल्ट ऑड नंबर आए होगा। नाउ ये शुरू करने से पहले मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ। जैसे मानिए कि 4 इज अ इवन नंबर एंड 5 इज अ ऑड नंबर। अगर इसका स्क्वायर करता हूँ 16 आता है। 4 स्क्वायर 16, 5 स्क्वायर 25। इट इज ए इवन नंबर। तो इवन नंबर को अगर स्क्वायर करता हूँ तो इवन नंबर ही मिलेगा। ऑड नंबर को अगर स्क्वायर करता हूँ तो ऑड नंबर ही मिलेगा। एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ। 3 ऑड नंबर स्क्वायर, ये अगर स्क्वायर करता हूँ इक्वल टू 9। Being it is a odd number, after squaring it would be a odd number. 6 even number, on squaring we will get 36 which is an even number. So it is clear कि odd number को स्क्वायर करेंगे तो ऑड मिलेगा और इवन नंबर को स्क्वायर करेंगे तो इवन मिलेगा। नाउ इट इज वेरी इजी टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन। नाउ 431 obviously it is an odd number, so if we square it 431 the answer would be odd. Being it is an even number, so on squaring we will get the result as even number. It is here again it is odd number, so it will on squaring we will get the odd number, and it is also another even number, so on squaring this we will get the even number. So this is the answer. Squaring of odd number becomes odd, and squaring the even number becomes even. This is the reason behind this question. Now come to the third question. What will be the unit digit of the square of the following? These are the number. There are 5 numbers. Now on squaring, suppose I am taking this one. On squaring 81, what would be the unit digit? Now 81 into 81. 81 square. 1 1 ja 1 हो, तो unit digit will be 1. Similarly 272 square. 272 into 272. Unit digit will be 4. Third 3853 square. 3853 into 3853. 9. Unit digit will be 9. Like this. 4 into 4, 16. That means unit digit would be 6. 5 into 5, 25. That means unit digit would be 5. This is the answer. Now come to the fourth question. Now this is the fourth question. Without adding, find the sum of these 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 plus 13. We know the sum of first n odd numbers, n number of odd numbers, odd natural numbers, must be natural numbers. So here we know the sum of फर्स्ट odd natural number is n square. The sum of first odd natural number is n square, where n equal to number of odd natural number. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 odd natural numbers we have. So n square equal to 7. 49. Total will come 49. There are 7 natural number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 natural number, n square equal to, that is n is 7, number of odd numbers, so it will 7 square, that means 49. It will come up, after, if you add, it will come up 49. Come to the fifth question. Fifth question. This question is totally opposite to the previous one. Now, here we have been asked, express 121 as the sum of odd numbers. That means we have to express 121 as sum of odd numbers. Now, how will you do it? We know this is 121. That means we know n square equal to 121. Now, or 11 into 11. 11 square. So n equal to 11. That means we have found the number of odd natural numbers. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. This will be the answer. The numbers are 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you add manually, you will get the answer as 121. Now come to the sixth question. Sixth question, and very, very intelligent question. How many numbers lie between squares of the following? It has been taken from NCERT, page number 96, exercise 6.1, question number 9. Now, of the following number means 25 and 26. That means इनका कहना है कि अगर मैं 25 को स्क्वायर करूं एंड 26 को स्क्वायर करूं तो इन बिटवीन कितने नंबर मतलब लाई करेगा. दैट मीन्स ये 25 का स्क्वायर है 625 और 26 का स्क्वायर है 676. नाउ ये है, मानो कि वी आर टेकिंग एज n और ये कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर है 25 एंड इट शुड बी कॉन्जिक्यूटिव नंबर। तो ये है नंबर n, लेट इट बी n, और ये है n+1 consecutive number. This is n and this is n+1. 25 plus 1, that is consecutive number. 25 and 26 are consecutive number. This is n, so it would be n+1. Now if we square, that is 25 square and 26 के square के बीच कितने नंबर लाई करेगा एंड आपको बताना है। Now अगर आप इस तरह करोगे तो आप मैनुअली अगर करोगे तो आप देखोगे यहाँ पे ये नंबर, दैट मीन्स n+1 होल स्क्वायर करोगे माइनस n² करोगे तो आपका रिजल्ट क्या मिलेगा? देखो n, दैट मीन्स a+b होल स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स n² प्लस 2n प्लस 1 माइनस n²। तो n² विल बी कैंसल्ड, रिजल्ट मिला 2n+1। 2n+1, दैट मीन्स 2 into n 25 plus 1, that means 50 51। 51 मैनुअली अगर आप करोगे इस हिसाब से तो आपको 51 मिलेगा, बट एक्चुअल देयर वुड बी 50। अगर आप करोगे इसके हिसाब से करोगे तो यहाँ पे 2n+1 मिलेगा, लेकिन होना चाहिए था एक्चुअल अगर करोगे, दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे अगर काउंट करोगे इन बिटवीन दिस टू नंबर देयर वुड बी 50 नंबर मैनुअली अगर करोगे, और फॉर्मूले से करोगे तो यहाँ पे 2n+1 मिलेगा, बट मैनुअली इट शुड बी 50। तो दैट मीन्स ये होना चाहिए 50, दैट मीन्स 2n ये होना चाहिए। तो 2n का मतलब है ये है आपका 52 इंटू, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट नंबर n है 25, दैट मीन्स 50, आंसर वुड बी 50। अगर आप मैनुअली करके देखो यहाँ पे 50 नंबर मिलेगा। नाउ ये है फर्स्ट मेथड, मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ दोबारा। यहाँ पे दिस स्क्वायर एंड दिस स्क्वायर के बीच, मतलब 25 स्क्वायर और 26 स्क्वायर के बीच आपको अगर इस तरह फॉर्मूला से करोगे तो आपको 51 मिलेगा, बट दैट विल बी ए रॉन्ग आंसर। अगर मैनुअली आप करके देखोगे हाँ तो आपको मिलेगा 50 एंड दिस इज द राइट। सो इन अब कंक्लूशन क्या है? On squaring the two consecutive number, the result would be 2 into n. That means 2 into the lowest number. This is the method 1. I will teach you two more methods, one by one. This is the first one. According to the formula, you will get 2n+1, which is wrong. You will get 51 as answer. But manually it should be, actually it should be 50. That means answer would be 2n. Now come to the second method. Second method. You can apply this formula. n+1 whole square minus n square minus 1, that means 26 square minus 25 square minus 1, 676 minus 625 minus 1, 51 minus 1 equal to 50. This is the second method formula. Now third one, it is my own method. Third method, add up this one, 25 plus 26 minus 1, 51 minus 1, 50. 2 कॉन्सेक्यूटिव नंबर को जोड़ दो, ऐड कर दो और -1 करो, 50. Now come to the 7th question. This is the 7th question. Find the square of a number ending in 5. कोई भी नंबर that must be end with 5. Suppose 95. इसका स्क्वायर करना है. Find the square of the number. ये निकालना है. कैसे निकालोगे? Now 9 into next number 10, 100 plus 5 square. 9 into 1000 plus 25. 9000 plus 25. 9025. This is the answer of 95 square. This is the first method. This is the first method. I will teach you 2 methods more. And you will enjoy it without any doubt. Now come to the second method. Second method, very interesting. Nine square plus 9. Five square. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 9, 90. 5 5s are 25. This is the method. Square the first number, 10 digit number, plus 9 plus 25 square, that 5 square, that is 9025. You can find out in this method also. By this method. Now come to the third. This is the third method. How will you do it? 9 into 10. 5 into 5. The consecutive 9, the 10th digit is 9. Next digit multiply with next digit 10. Or 5 into 5. That means 90, 25. Come to the next question, 8th. Another interesting question, very very interesting question. Find the square of any number. Suppose we have to find the square of 26. 26 square without multiplying. Or now the preceding number of 26, 25 square plus preceding number plus 26, that means 625 plus 51, 676. Suppose 22. Preceding number 21 plus 21 plus 22, 441 plus 43, 4, 8, 4. So next class will be of square root. Till then, I hope you have enjoyed these questions very much, and wait for the second one. Till then, goodbye.